Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and welcome back to another weekly savings challenge and dividend portfolio update. I hope everyone is doing well. Today, we are going straight to the agenda. The first thing in our agenda for today is to generate this week's savings amount. After that, we will take a look at how my trading 212 dividend portfolio performed last week. Lastly, we will run the dividend script and see whether there are any ex-dividend dates that we can take advantage of next week. If you are only interested in certain parts of the video, I have prepared the timestamps in the description box below. Feel free to skip to your preferred sections. Let's start our agenda with the 52-week savings challenge. Let's type in the random between 1 to 13 here and see what number we will get. Last week, I deposited August savings of 38 ringgit into my Stashaway simple account. Okay, this week I have to set aside 3 ringgit. Now, let's move on to the next agenda, Trading 212 Dividend Portfolio Update. I deposited another $5 last week and bought everything on Monday itself as I will be quite busy preparing for my final exams and I still have a few group assignments and presentations that need to be attended to. I have difficulties coping with online learning, so I have to put in 200% more effort than usual to at least pass this semester. Anywho, back to the portfolio, I bought more of Realty Income as their ex-dividend date was on that Monday, more of Main Street Capital and also Duke Energy. I also started to invest in Bank of America last week. To kick off September on a positive note, I received dividends from 3 companies last week. My Tritex Big Box paid me 2 cents, I got 4 cents from LTC, and another 2 cents from Visor. I invested 80.80 USD and my portfolio closed at 79.92 USD, down by 1.09%. After several weeks of being the biggest winner in my portfolio, Visor finally stepped down. My biggest winner from last week was Realty Income, up by 11.22%, followed closely by Coca-Cola, which was up by 11.17%. My portfolio's biggest loser remains the same though, and dropped even lower than the market blowback in March. My shares in Vodafone Group were down by 15.2% last week. Please take note that anything mentioned in this video is not a financial advice and my videos are for entertainment purposes only. Please seek professional advice from certified advisors before starting to invest your hard-earned money. Every investment has its own risk, especially in this uncertain time. Moving on to our last agenda, let's see which company has an ex-dividend date next week. Let me click this and let the script run. I learned how to do this Google Sheet listing from a fellow YouTuber called Investing Sensei. I will link the video tutorials on how to come up with this dividend tracker on the top right corner if you guys are interested and want to track dividends from your favorite companies. Thank you so much Investing Sensei for providing a value-adding script to the community. Okay, let's see. Next week, Johnson & Johnson, Chevron, ExxonMobil, and Microsoft will be paying out their dividends. I only have holdings in Chevron, so we will be expecting something from them next week. As for the ex-dividend dates, there are no ex-dividend dates that I can take advantage of next week. So I will continue to deposit more and dollar cost averaging my holdings. Most of them are currently on discount, so that is good news. I am looking forward to buying more of AbbVie and also Chevron when the US market opens on Tuesday after their Labor Day weekend. I think that is all for today's video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Be safe and take care.